This video is going over more roles and responsibilities for wingers in the defensive zone. Let's take a look at this winger right here and remember that his responsibility is this defenseman. So when that defenseman gets the puck, what you are trying to do as a winger is take away his shooting lane to the net. You do not want to let him get a shot on the net, so you want to make sure that you're going straight at him. Watch as this player goes right after the player in white, taking away his shooting lane, blocks a shot, now he's got a semi-breakaway. Same thing with this player right here in white. When the defenseman right here gets the puck, he is going straight at him. He's not coming in at an angle. If he comes in at an angle, the player in green here is going to have a direct lane to the net. We want to make sure that we're standing in that lane as much as possible. You see how these players are using their bodies and taking away the lanes any way that they can. Now we're going to take a look at the defensive zone. So when our winger right here gets the puck, when the defenseman gets the puck, the winger that was highlighted, he's got to hurry to get into open ice where he can support his defender. This area is going to be generally where you want to get to when your defenseman has the puck, and that's how we are going to start our breakout. You see how he's supporting the puck. Highlighted guy here, when he recognizes that his defenseman gets the puck, he hustles over to his side of the ice and provides a support or an outlet pass option for his teammate. Now when you get it there, it's not always going to be a clean pass. The defenseman on the other team is likely to pinch on you. You got to battle your way to get that puck outside of the blue line. Here the puck gets rimmed around the boards, and the highlighted player here has to pick the puck up off the wall, get his feet moving right away, and try and make a play. Here you're going to have to perform this under pressure, so it's important you focus on controlling that puck first and then making your next play.